Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the round border tutorial in CapCut, or how you can make a round border in CapCut. So first, add your video and then go to overlay and then go to stock videos and add this black image and then rotate it like this. Rotate it until it become a vertical like this, and then cover your video, then go to mask, choose on rectangle, then after that click on invert, adjust the size. Then to have a round corner, you can just click on this buttons right here, just drag it like this. Okay, I'm going to go with this. Then after that, just adjust the size, oops, like this. Then after that, you can just click on the check icon and you are done with the round border or corner in your video. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.